Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the iPhone 16 Pro Max to reveal all the details and components inside this device. First, remove the two pentalobe screws. Then, place the phone face up on the heating platform. Using a thin blade and some alcohol, we'll open a small gap at the edge of the back cover, slide a pick along the opening to loosen it. Open the back cover from the side near the rear camera, being mindful not to damage the wireless charging cable. Now, let's remove the protection cover and disconnect the wireless charging cable. Next up, take out the SIM tray. After that, remove the earpiece. And remove the front camera assembly. Loosening the screws on the motherboard, lift it slightly and disconnect the display and proximity sensor cables. Remove the rear camera assembly on the phone. Then, applying some alcohol to soften the adhesive, we'll carefully remove the Taptic engine. Next, remove the speaker. Using tweezers, pull out the adhesive tabs holding the battery, being cautious to avoid the nearby flex cable. With a few more screws removed and some alcohol. Remove the microphone, charging port, and antenna. Finally, place the phone screen side down on the heating platform. After it's warmed up, remove the screen. That's it for our iPhone 16 Pro Max teardown.